Good morning, everybody, and here is the Saving Star deals. A lot of you guys really enjoy me showing you guys these videos of new deals because sometimes they disappear super fast, but Saving Star has not been my favorite lately. I've been really kind of disappointed in Saving Star, but I will still submit my receipts. I still like CVS because all I have to do is go to CVS and it automatically does it for me. I don't have to submit my receipt, so you guys can do that. You just have to link it. But one thing I'm super excited for is the Renews It's $1.10. I haven't seen that on Saving Star in a while, so this would be a really good deal to use, I think, at CVS and Walgreens. This is a really good coupon right here, Persil. That ended up being a freebie, kind of. Then we got the Parodontics. And then we also have the pods, but these are for CVS only and some other places. Biotine. Now here we got some other things, but I am not adding these to my account because I think Checko 51 has these. I'm not sure about these. I'm going to check that out, but those are just deals that I have. Here we have $1.50 off of Tresemme. I'm going to add that. And then we got the Health, and then we got Tresemme Micro. Here we got this one. I know this one for sure was on Checko 51. Pillsbury Frozen. Hamburger Helper. That's always on every single month. Hold on, honey. Chet's Mix. That's always on. Nature Valley is always on. Yoplait. El Paso. Here we got some mouthwash that you guys can add, which I'm not sure it's on Checko 51, but I do know these are, so I'm not going to add that. But I just wanted to share with you guys what is on. Here we got Talente, but there is a coupon that we could print off for $1.50 off of coupons.com. Dole, more Cremo, applesauce, coffee. Yes, baby.
This is for
Smash pennies. Yeah, so this is what all I have on my Saving Star. Make sure you guys check yours and add yours because once they're gone, they're gone. So I just wanted to share with you guys that. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.